13 lessons on how to use rejection to your favor. Stoicism. 1. Accept it. Embrace rejection as a natural part of life. 2. Stay present. Focus on the present moment, not the rejection. 3. Reflect calmly. Analyze the reasons for rejection without emotion. 4. Seek growth. Use rejection as a catalyst for self-improvement. 5. Stay virtuous. Maintain integrity and virtue regardless of outcomes. 6. Detach from approval. Value your self-worth independently of others' opinions. 7. Learn resilience. Build mental strength through repeated exposure. 8. Maintain perspective. Remember, rejection is often not personal. 9. Refocus goals. Adjust your aims based on feedback. 10. Practice patience. Trust that perseverance will lead to success. 11. Embrace humility. Accept rejection with grace and humility. 12. Find opportunity. Look for new paths that rejection might reveal. 13. Keep moving forward. Use rejection as motivation to keep striving.